Welcome to another element focus video at Brizy, and in this one we are looking at the spacer element. In front of me I have this block with quite a lot of things going on here, and the problem is that when it comes to design we don't like things cramped. We want to give it space. Traditionally in page builders people will go into elements and apply padding, but we highly recommend that when you are working with space between elements not to use padding or even margins. Go for the spacer element, because that will give you far more greater control once you go into responsive styling for your tablets and mobile. Let's have a look at how this is done. Go to Add Elements on the sidebar on the left, click on it, and then you'll find the spacer over here. Click and drag until you see the area where you want to apply the spacer with a thick gray line, and drop it. The spacer appears by hovering over it, and you can see the container box. To control it, click on it, and you will see a little blue dot handle appear at the bottom. You can click and drag and apply spacing as needed. If you like a little bit more control over it, go up to the toolbar Settings, click on Settings, and over here you can precisely apply the amount of pixels that you would like to apply to this spacer. Let's bring in another spacer over here. Go to Add Elements, grab the spacer and drag it until you see the thick gray line and drop it. Now things already look a little bit better just because of this space that we have added between the various elements and columns. How will this then work within tablet and mobile? Let's have a look at tablet. Click on tablet over here. And now you will see, if you click on it, only these two functions appear. You can either disable it or you can change the height. This is what makes Brizy so great when it comes to responsiveness. Only those parameters that can be changed in the tablet and phone view will appear here, so nothing to confuse you. Let's say you think this is a little too big for your tablet, you can reduce it, and it will only retain this setting for your tablet view. This one definitely here is too much spacing, so we can reduce it even more. Then if we go to our phone view, mobile, again we think the spacing is too much, we can grab it and drag it closer, and the same for this one over here. We really like the spacer as we feel it gives far more control and flexibility over your layout development. Make sure not to miss any of these tutorials here on Brizy by subscribing to our YouTube channel. And if you'd like to know more, remember to visit our website at brizy.io and check out our blog.